Have you ever dreamt of owning a private island, your own secluded paradise nestled away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life? The idea certainly captivates the imagination. But today, we ask the pressing question: can you really afford your own private island? Prices can vary widely depending on location, size, and amenities. For instance, in the Bahamas or the Caribbean, a small, undeveloped island could start at around $500,000. However, more luxurious islands with existing structures and utilities can easily exceed millions of dollars. Infrastructure is a primary consideration. Without existing facilities, owners may need to invest heavily in developing essentials such as fresh water, electricity, and waste management systems. Transport is another significant logistical challenge. You might require a boat or even a private aircraft to access your island, depending on its location. Remember, nature doesn't take a vacation. Tropical storms or hurricanes might demand expensive repairs. And living in solitude might necessitate hiring staff to maintain this private paradise. It's not merely about affording the purchase price. One must also be prepared for ongoing expenses that could rival or surpass the cost of the island itself. Expenses often unexpected and unforeseen. Ultimately, owning a private island is a pursuit that transcends financial considerations alone. It demands commitment, a love for solitude, and a passion for nurturing and conserving natural beauty. For the truly committed and well-prepared individual, it presents a unique opportunity to embrace a lifestyle of unparalleled privacy. But before embarking on this extraordinary journey, one must ask, are you ready and truly able to embrace the dream beyond the dream?